Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another exciting video. Yeah. So guys, on today's video I'll be unboxing the products that I got from Nuban Beauty Cosmetics. Yes, so I saw this foundation and concealer online. Yeah, and I've been seeing some beautiful reviews about it. So I decided to get one. But then I've been procrastinating when to get it and stuff. So luckily for me, on this Salah holiday, they were on promo. Yay! So they were on promo and they were giving out 15% on any product that you get from them. So why not? Why shouldn't I get it now? So guys, so I decided to get one of the foundation and the concealer in my skin foundation and in my skin concealer. With the name alone now, guys, you should know that everything is blending. So the product just arrived and I decided to unbox it with you guys. Yay! So guys, but before then, if it's your first time of coming across my video, please hit that red button. Yeah, hit that red button, support your girl, give me a subscription. Yeah, hit that red button, give my video a thumbs up, comment, like, and share. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for always taking time to watch my video and for your beautiful comments. Yeah, so guys, if you want to see this beautiful face always on your screen, so give me a subscription and also turn on your notification bell so when I post a new video you'll be the first to be notified. So guys, let's unbox. Yay, I can't wait to unbox this foundation because I've been craving for it. Like when I see some makeup, some finishing look with this in my skin foundations, like I'll be it will do me like I have it already. I'll just be like, it's in my hands already. But right now it's already in my hands. So guys, let's unbox it. Let's unbox it, guys. Let's unbox it. But before then, if you're wondering what I channel do on this channel, yeah, I put out makeup tutorial videos, skincare routine. As you can see, I'm an acne prone skin. So guys, I don't joke with my skincare routine. So I put out skincare routine videos and also put out a little bit of cooking. I'm not a chef, but I do like give us some food vlogs and stuff. So guys, and also lifestyle, yes, a little vlog here and there. And what else? Some gist, some hot gist from entertainment, especially from reality shows. Yeah, from reality shows like the one I did in my previous videos. I know you go back to my channel, check for it. Okay, I'll be dropping the link in the description box. Check for this reality show, The Real Housewives of Lagos Reunion. Guys, it's a banger, so check it out. I know that you're going to like it. So that's basically what I do on this channel. So let's unbox this foundation. So guys, this is it. Nuban Beauty Cosmetics. So let's do this. Yeah, here it is. Finally, I have this. but it's looking a little bit smaller because from online it was a little bit bigger. Okay, let's not mind the quality, quantity. Let's just care about the quality. So I hope it gives me what I want in my skin. Yeah, because before I made payments for these, they asked me to like take a picture of they asked me like to take a picture of my face, with my face without filter or any editing, so that they will know the actual in my skin foundation and concealer that will fit me perfectly well. Though I know my foundation shade, but these brands, their own shades comes in different names. Like this one is um Derego W10. Yeah, like some of these foundations that I use, they are in the shade of cocoa and stuff. So they actually want to, since I'm not there in person, they asked me to take a picture of my of my face without filter, so that they will know the exact foundation shade that they will give to me. If you're going in with any foundation, you have to go with a foundation that matches your skin. Do you understand? You go with foundation that matches your skin. So if your face is darker than your neck or your body, you have to go with foundation shade that will match your neck. So you won't, because your face is light, then you're going in with foundation that is light. No, you have to go in with foundation that is the same with your skin, your neck, and this other part that is being exposed. So that's how foundation shade is being matched. So guys, here is the foundation, in my skin foundation from Nuban Beauty Cosmetics, and this is the concealer. Yeah, I've been using LA Girl Pro for a very long time, so I decided to try something new, and I hope this gives me what I was. See how happy I am, like, hey, see how happy that I am that I have to change some of my makeup products. Are you serious? Yeah, that is the feeling when you get a new thing. Yeah, especially what you like, and well, yeah, especially what you like. Yeah, so guys, let me open this. This is a concealer. Wow, this is lovely. Okay, I'm liking the color already. In my skin concealer from Nuban Beauty. Yeah, so let's check out the foundation. Most importantly, because this foundation is actually, you can actually rock it without any other powder. Yeah. So guys, this is it. Ooh, finally you're here. Like finally I'm holding you. Like I've been wanting to hold you, and finally you're here. But guys, and like I said, online it was looking a little more bigger, but here, okay, let's just care about what is inside, not the size. So here it is in my skin, um in my skin foundation. Yeah, so guys, I'm so happy because I've been wanting to have this because of the reviews I've been seeing about this particular foundation and a concealer. So I've been meaning to like try it and see how it tastes. So guys, this is it. Can't wait to use it for my makeup video. Yeah. So guys, this is the product I ordered from Nuban Beauty Cosmetic in my skin foundation and in my skin concealer. Yes. So guys, this is what I ordered versus what I got. Yeah. The only thing is just that the sizes, because the sizes I saw online were a little more bigger, but it's okay because I'm happy. The colors, the shades is perfect. Like, it's really, really my shade. Yeah, these are my foundation shades. As you have come to the end of this video, thanks for sticking by, and watch out for my next video because I'll be revealing these products in my next makeup video. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.